Welcome back to Money Mind 2025. Today, we dive into a fascinating question. Can AI really manage your wealth better than a human advisor? Let's explore how artificial intelligence is changing the future of investing. In 2025, robo-advisors are no longer just a trend, they're mainstream. From platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront to AI-powered tools by major banks, algorithm-driven investing is more accessible than ever. They use machine learning to rebalance portfolios, optimize tax strategies, and even adjust based on market sentiment. Why do people trust AI with their money? Low fees, 24/7 monitoring, emotion-free decision-making. These systems follow rules, they don't panic sell. Plus, AI can analyze thousands of data points faster than any human. But it's not all perfect. AI lacks intuition, emotional intelligence, and sometimes context. It might not understand your personal values or unique life goals. That's where human financial advisors still shine, in empathy and personalization. The most promising path? Human plus AI. Advisors who use AI as a tool, not a replacement, provide the best of both worlds. Imagine real-time data plus real human insight is smarter wealth management. So, can algorithms manage your wealth? Yes, but ideally, not alone. Combine the logic of AI with human wisdom, and you've got a powerful financial partner. In our next episode, we explore crypto regulation. What's changing in 2025? Don't forget to subscribe to Money Mind 2025, where smart finance meets the future.